Alright, on game 1, I had to go into this castle, and guess what I did? I flew away. Then I built a wall, like always. The heck? Oh, God! You know what? I'm just gonna launch everybody. That didn't work out. Okay, well, you know, I'm just gonna jump off, like always. What happens if we build a wall? Hold on, let's try. I stopped it!
What?
This long part was very boring. Oh my God, that was so stressful. Oh my God. Oh no. What? Did it even touch me? Okay, next. What the heck? Are these potatoes? Will it work? We're gonna have to see. Oh my God, no it won't. I forgot what game this is, but I won. I'm killing these bananas.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I pressed the button. What happened? Oh my God. What is inside here? Dark.
No.